need wedding cakes. Must be 3 lucky men. Who's got a picture? You guys realize that's the same guy, right? Oh, don't be silly. I want it for myself. I want to lock him down. I want that. Mama finger like I want that crown. He's my trophy boy, my trophy boy, my trophy boy.
Son, aren't you tired of being hated by every man in the land? He stole my love!
Yeah. I do like being adored by the ladies, though.
No lady who gazes into the eyes of the prince will be able to resist his smile. On his 21st birthday, this blessing curse will be sealed, and all love will die!
But that's in 3 days.
Prince Charming, it is time to choose your one true love and liberate all others from your spell.
Piece of cake. Kiss me now and save us all.
Does this normally work for you?
Only with every other lady in the land. Wow! Well, that was different. So determine which of these 3 princesses is my true love. The fate of my entire kingdom depends on it.
Your kingdom's in luck, because I can take you to them.
We leave at once. Oh, hey. I feel so alive. For the love of anything you love, help me!
What is your plan?
True love must be earned by running the gauntlet of 3 impossible tasks. 1, cross an impassable pass.
Hang on!
2, survive an unsurvivable attack.
We're dead.
Hello there, you delicate little flowers.
Wow. I got you.
And 3, conquer an unconquerable beast. Let's do this. Well, that played out differently in my mind.